What am I used to crush them? There. I crushed them. What's this one? Garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, a pinch of salt, not a punch. Everywhere. Mix it. Dirty. You know what that'll be extra crunchy in that one. I'm hangry. Woke up from a nap. Said I gotta cook. Did I hit record? Yeah, I did. And there's a hole in the bag. What's this one? Garlic powder, onion powder. Wet hand, dry hand. Snap, crackle, pop. Oh no, wait, that's the other one. Delicious. Oh, wait. Supposed to do the thing, right? See, they're crunchy. Yeah, how was that? My light went out?
I mean, man.
Some days, man, you gotta be kidding me. What the hell was the light go out right there for? Air fryer chicken. It's gonna be freaking fantastic. I should wait, but this would be great. Oh! Boom! Oh, phenomenal. Look how crispy that is. Look, it's still steaming. I burned the roof of my mouth. I don't give a flying fadoo. Look. Man. That's hot. Is it better than KFC? I don't know. It's got some spice, let me tell you. Phenomenal. That's a winner. Greek yogurt sauce, fantastic. Air fryer chicken, cornflakes, fantastic. Uncle Drew, fantastic. We're fantastic.